And what a perfect day to mix camera models. I currently have 6 SL1s, one R100, and one T7. And it's pretty easy. We can manage settings individually per camera model. And as you can see for the R100, I do have access to the modern file types like the C-RAW, which I don't see in the old SL1 or the T7. But the goal of this demo is to show you how you can group these camera models so you can sync some of the settings that can be synced, like the ISO. The ISO is the same for all cameras, so I don't want to have to click to change for all models, especially if I have more different models. I want to handle that from a single place. So I'm going to start by clicking on the camera adapter icon right here, and then I group models by manufacturer, and I go back to the dashboard, and now I see 8 Canon cameras, and the list of models are listed below the settings. Now, if I click on the advanced settings of the camera group, I can unlink the image quality, because that's the key point. That's what's different across the model. So I unlink this one. Oh, I'm gonna unlink also the aperture. That's another important one, right? The R100 cannot go at f3.5, and somehow I have a pancake lens on one of the cameras, so that one goes at f2.8. Oh, boom, now we see the list of all cameras. You see, the main settings that can be synced are here, and then we have the list of all cameras here, 1 to 8. And the 2 settings that are unlinked are aperture and image quality, and I can change by camera number the quality. So that's great, because now we can sync the ISO from a single button. So now all of my cameras are at ISO 100. Great. I want to go a bit further, because now I have only 8 cameras, so it's easy to go one by one here. But if I have 200, I don't want to do that. So I'm going to group by model. I go back in the advanced settings here, and at the bottom, I'm going to split into lanes per camera model. When I click on this one, boom, 3 lanes are created. The SL1s, the R100, and the T7. I could also split by lens, which makes sense when you have a bunch of cameras that are the same model but different lenses, and then you need to change the aperture per lens, per group of lenses. Going back to the dashboard, now I see my 3 lanes, A, B, and C, that are properly identified with the camera numbers and which model is associated to that lane. And from there, I can still change the setting globally for the ISO or the shutter speed, while being able to change only the aperture or the image quality per camera group.